Let me ask you something simple. Your phone has an operating system, right? iOS, Android. It connects everything, your apps, your camera, your messages. Everything talks to everything. Now imagine that, but for your entire business, not for your phone, for your company. That's what an AI operating system is. And in the next few years, every serious business is going to need one. Let me explain exactly what this means. But here's the crazy part. Most companies today are trying to run a modern business with tools that were designed for a completely different era, and that disconnect is creating a huge opportunity. Okay, so first, what actually is an AI operating system? See, most businesses right now use AI like this: one tool for emails, one tool for data, one tool for customer support, one tool for reports, all separate, all disconnected. You have to jump between them manually. You are the connector. You're copying data from one place, pasting it into another, checking dashboards, sending updates. It's exhausting, right? An AI operating system changes this completely. Think of it like this: instead of 10 different AI tools that don't talk to each other, you have one central brain, one system that connects everything. It understands your business, it sees what's happening across departments, and it can actually get things done. Automatically, your phone OS doesn't ask you every time to connect your camera to WhatsApp, it just works. An AI OS does the same thing, but for your entire business operations. Now, here's where most people get confused. They think, okay, this is just ChatGPT for my business. Brothers, it is not. ChatGPT is a tool. You ask it something, it gives you answers, then you close the tab, and that's it. An AI operating system is completely different. It doesn't just answer questions, it remembers your business context. It connects to your actual data, your sales, your customers, your inventory. It can take actions, not just give suggestions. And over time, it learns how your business works. Here's a simple example. ChatGPT can write you an email, but an AI operating system can look at your CRM, find customers who haven't ordered in 60 days, write personalized emails for each one, send them automatically, track who opened them, and generate a performance report all by itself without you manually doing any of that. That's the difference. One is a tool, one is a system. Okay, let's make this even more real. Example 1: a retail business. Right now, a shop owner checks sales manually, calls suppliers manually, manages inventory manually. With an AI operating system, the system notices a product is selling fast. It automatically places a new supplier order, updates stock on the website, and even sends promotional messages to customers who bought that product before. The owner wakes up and the system already handled it. Example 2: a startup, a small team of maybe 5 people. They spend hours every day writing emails, making reports, and following up with leads. With an AI operating system, routine emails are handled automatically. Weekly reports generate themselves. Meeting notes get summarized instantly. Action items are assigned to the right people. That 5% team suddenly works like a team of 20. Example 3: a big company, different departments, HR, finance, sales, operations, each using different software that barely talks to each other. An AI operating system sits on top of everything. It connects all those systems. Leadership gets a real-time view of the entire business. No waiting for end-of-month reports. And here's the important part. This isn't science fiction. Companies are already building this right now. So why is this going to become necessary? The answer is simple: competition. Look at how technology adoption always works. In 2010, having a website was optional. Then suddenly it wasn't. If your business didn't have a website, customers didn't trust you. In 2015, social media was optional. Then it became necessary. Businesses that ignored it fell behind. AI operating systems will follow the same pattern. Right now, it feels like an advanced luxury. Mostly big tech companies are experimenting with it. But in 3 to 5 years, a business without an AI operating system will feel like a business without a website today. Completely behind. And the companies that adopt it early, they will move faster, spend less money, serve customers better. This isn't about replacing people, it's about giving your team superpowers. So let's bring it back to the simplest idea. Your phone's operating system connects all your apps. An AI operating system connects your entire business. In the next 5 years, the difference between businesses won't just be who has the best product, it will be who has the smartest system running behind the scenes. And that system is the AI operating system. Start paying attention to this. Because the businesses that understand this early are the ones that win. And hey, before you go, one small thing. If this video actually gave you something new today, support this channel by subscribing. It takes 2 seconds, but it helps this channel grow a lot.